Good day, everyone. So, yes, I've got a message from Malema. Malema's Kill the Boer song also kills black people. The vast majority of the 60 plus people killed per day in South Africa are black South Africans. People in the townships live in war zone where violent people rape women, kidnap and kill people, gangs wage wars against each other in the streets. Criminals rule the townships, if not the country. That kill the farmer is hate speech cannot be changed by any court order. A court that says it is not hate speech is only discrediting itself. And a politician who describes it as an innocent struggle song that people do not take literally is only proving his ignorance of psychological conditioning, or he is lying. The claim that it has no effect on the violence against farmers is as good as saying that words have no effect. Only a fool would think so. The song encourages people to kill, full stop. But what Malema doesn't realize, what the black people who sing along don't realize, what Cyril Ramaphosa, Mbeki, and the ANC don't want to know, what the people who rightly say that black people are the real victims of violence, not the white people, don't understand is, and here comes the Bible verses that will predict their fall. Dig a hole for someone else and you yourself fall into it. The Psalm 7, verse 16 to 17, 9, verse 16, 57, verse 7, Proverbs 6, verse 12 to 25, Proverbs 26, verse 27, Proverbs 28, verse 10, Ecclesiastes 10, verse 8 to 9, and Esther 7, verse 9. What you sow, you will reap. Galatians 6, verse 7 to 8. He who sows iniquity will reap evil. Proverbs 22, verse 8. If you sow wind, you will reap storm. Hosea 8, verse 7. The ANC thought they could whip up the population into civil disobedience against the NP government. They themselves have fallen into the hole they dug for the NP, reaped refusal to pay for services, while tires are burned and slogans shouted for services that no one is willing to pay for. They started an illegal armed insurrection against the legitimate government. Now they rule over a South Africa engulfed by crime. Malema thinks he can sing, kill the farmer, shout, cut the throat of whiteness, while running his hand over his throat like a knife, and nothing will happen to himself, and nothing will happen to the black people. He thinks he can take farms and people's properties without compensation, and he and black South Africans will not suffer from it themselves. The ANC thinks they can look the other way over the horror on the farms, take away law-abiding citizens' weapons, while criminals run amok with illegal weapons, and they will get away with it unscathed. I have bad news for the ANC and specifically for Malema. Your Kill the Boer chanting causes black people to be killed as well. Your hand that you run over your throat to demonstrate how you're going to cut the throat of whiteness will cut your own throat. The revolution you are stirring up, and which will lead to the white genocide, will also cost the lives of many thousands of black South Africans. Take down the farms and destroy food production, and the people who will suffer the most are black South Africans who have no jobs, no houses, and no place to live.